Embark on a day of innovation and advancement with the Revolutionizing Healthcare Through Artificial Intelligence workshop. Elevate your medical expertise with cutting-edge AI algorithms, optimize treatment plans, spearhead groundbreaking research with deep learning, and customize patient health recommendations. Streamline your administrative duties and sharpen your clinical decisions with real-time AI insights. This enlightening experience, led by a practicing surgeon and educator, Vaikanthan Rajaratnam, Senior Consultant Surgeon and Adjunct Professor, awaits you at Asia Pacific University. Participants will receive the exclusive AI for Health Professionals book, access to the online module, and a dedicated chatbot, tools that will drive your professional growth in healthcare. Join us on Saturday the 4th of May 2024, from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. at Asia Pacific University, Technology Park, Malaysia, Bukit Jalil, Kuala Lumpur. The team at APU has trained over 4,000 professionals across 11 countries who've elevated their practice with a 90% satisfaction rate. Your journey to AI proficiency in healthcare begins here. Transform your life, transform your practice.